friends, welcome to a product close-up of the Trinity Stamps Scripty Heart Dies. The Scripty Heart Dies die set is a set of 8 different dies, and these dies coordinate together in such a cool way. Now I'm going to show you how each one of these different words in this set can layer with a solid portion of the die. So you've got a scripty heart, and then you have a solid background heart, so that you can layer that scripty over top of the solid, or you can use that scripty word by itself. So here you can see the words are heart and gold, of, and sweet. So these words can be used in a variety of different combinations to create many different sentiments for your projects. And there you can just see that I have these all cut out on my desk, and I'm just layering them up for you on this white cardstock so you can see how these different dies work together in combination to create some really cool sentiments. Here you can see how many of the different design team members have already created some really cool projects with the Scripty Heart die set, and loving how they are using these either by themselves or with that coordinating background in such a fun way. The Scripty Heart dies, once again, a set of very cool die sets, or a die set with the new Sending Smooches release from Trinity Stamps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.